Hi guys, so today I will show you how to create a drop down in Excel sheet. We will take an example of countries. So let's create a countries header. So normally we do like this: India, Pakistan, America. So in this case, there are chances that user may make mistakes in the spelling. So what we do, we provide them the drop down of countries. So for this, first, let's create a new sheet, rename it to countries, and then I will provide you the list of the countries. So what you do here, paste all the countries in the first column, I mean the first row, sorry. Now go to the first sheet, select the column where you want to add the drop down, go to the data tab, then data validation, and in data validation you go to list, and in the list you create a formula countries. So the countries is the sheet name, and we are getting the list from A1 to IL1 column. So 1 is the row, okay? So they're all in the first row. So let's do this. Click OK. Now we don't want the drop down on the header. So what you do, you go to the data validation again and put on any value over there. All right. So it will remove the drop down from the header. Now if you come to the next lines, you will see drop down here. So this is how you render a drop down in an Excel sheet. So the list of the countries I'll provide in the description, so check it out. So like and subscribe guys. Thank you.